Want to show you my nighttime skincare routine. Cleanser number 1, applying on the skin, adding water and massaging for a minute. 1 minute. Make sure you have to massage cleanser into your skin for a minute, and after 1 minute I'm gonna wash it off. And I wash it off, and then I'm going to the second cleanser, which is lightly exfoliating cleanser, Janamba Beauty AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. Very gentle, natural, organic cleanser. It has alpha hydroxy acid, salicylic acid, which means it's great for tightening your skin, tightening your pores, preventing acne, healing acne if you have it. Massage it for 1 minute as well. When you wash your face, guys, don't forget your neck as well. And now second cleanser is being washed off as well.